Love cheesy dishes? How about fresh salads with sliced veggies? The large box grater from Spring Chef is an essential in your kitchen. With 4 graters in one, it includes a coarse shred, medium shred, fine shred, or zest, and a slicer. Everything you need. The blade comes out of the box ultra sharp, ready for quick, efficient grating, so you're never stalled in the kitchen. The non-slip rubber bottom keeps the grater stable as you grate, and just remove it for safe cleaning. The entire grater is dishwasher safe and made of stainless steel, so it will never rust. Get to grating and order your large box grater from Spring Chef today.
Do you know about the dangers of ordinary sponges? You might be surprised to find out they are perfect hotbeds for bacteria. It's true. After just a couple uses, they become a powerful incubator of harmful bacteria, which, in addition to bad odor, may also seriously impact our health. But this hasn't reduced their use. We believe there is no place for old dirty sponges in the modern world. Our solution is the antibacterial Eco-Cali sponge. Incredible ergonomic design, optimal shape for washing, natural composition, and antibacterial properties make Cali an irreplaceable assistant in every kitchen on this planet. Cali sponge contains bamboo charcoal, which provides an antibacterial effect. We made our sponge round-shaped to enhance comfortability while washing surface area twice as efficiently with one stroke. The area of the washing surface of our sponge is almost 2 times larger than the average sponge. One swipe with a Cali sponge is equivalent to 2 swipes with an ordinary sponge, saving you lots of time. In addition, the design of our sponge includes a cut in the middle for washing plates and dishware.